Yo, what's going on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan, and today we have another unboxing video. Alright guys, so yes, we do have a brand new unboxing video for you guys today. Some would call this the best Air Jordan to release this year. I'll let you guys handle that debate, but let's get right into it. So, right on the box, you can see right here, we got that size 12 Air Jordan 4 Retro, white, black, and neutral gray. And this box, this time came in a special, kind of like a special Jordan 4 box, like that speckled print with the red Jumpman flight. It's pretty cool. I like how Jordan Brand's actually starting to give us these different boxes for each release. Like you can see down there a little bit, I had like that white box, the threes box. They've been coming separated as well with like the different colors. But yeah, it's cool to see. It's the attention to detail, you know what I mean? But without me rambling on too much longer, let us get right into the shoes. Wow. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. These things are clean, man. I'm super happy that I was able to pick these things up. There's a funny story about these. So, I got these off of Dick's Sporting Goods, okay? Now, Dick's Sporting Goods has been really clutch in some of these recent releases, as far as being able to cop shoes. Now, I don't know if there's a trick or whatnot to the Dick's Sporting Goods releases, okay? But what I have noticed lately is that when you're in queue, when it says you're waiting in line for the shoes, right? There's like a period of time where you're like, man, I really don't think that, I don't think I hit. Like, I don't think I got them. There's no way, right? Now, you could be in the queue for literally an hour and a half. I hit on these things. It was like, I believe it was 11:25 is when my checkout was, okay? So they dropped. The queue starts going up. It actually went up a little bit before 10 o'clock. It normally always launches at 10 o'clock. And then after it launches at 10 o'clock, then you're put in queue. There's normally 2 checkouts, okay? So it normally goes from you're waiting in line, and then you go to the next one where it says, if you're able to get past queue, you select your size and whatever. Then it says you are now being directed to checkout. Once you hit checkout, then you got to hit another step, right? Then you got to put in your payment, whatever. I mean, if you're a member, it kind of autofills, but whatever. Then you have to get through that process, and finally you get that confirmation. Now, dude, these things literally took me until 11:25 to check out. I stayed in queue. It was on my computer and on my phone. Now, I don't know what the best way of going it, because I've heard so many different things from different people, and whether or not it's better to do it on desktop or whether or not it's better to do it on mobile. I just have no idea. I have no idea what the best solution for that is, but I was able to hit on my phone. Okay, so I finally got through queue on my phone, on mobile. And once I got through queue, unfortunately, I wasn't able to actually sign in with my login, so I didn't gain any points or anything from it, which kind of sucks. But hey, I didn't want to risk it, you know, taking too long to log in and stuff like that, so I ended up just picking them up. I got right through checkout, and bam, they came in. And Dick's Sporting Goods ships really quick, man. That happened on a Saturday. I got these things on Monday. So today is now Wednesday when I'm recording this, but I got these things on Monday. So anyway, after that rant is over, let's get right into the shoes, man. These things are incredibly clean, man. Jordan 4s are one of the most hyped up shoes nowadays. They are literally one of the most hyped shoes you can get. Let's look at the back right here. You got that black pull tab with that white, clean Jordan Jumpman logo. You got the black mesh netting on the side, which I love, the little hits of the netting that you could see, you know, right through. You got that neutral gray hit. I mean, these things are so beautiful. Look at that toe box. You got that suede toe box. If you also look, you got that clean, soft leather, man. The quality on this pair is immaculate. I literally checked. I really tried to look for like some, you know, because Jordans are known for their glue stains and everything. on my pair, man, I mean, I really got lucky. I don't see any flat factory flaws with these things. You know, realistically, I got a really clean pair. Going to the tongue, we got the Jordan Jumpman in black with the, I believe it's like a silver. It's like a silver script on the bottom, or white, whitish silver Flight in script. Going inside, obviously we got that Air Jordan upside down. Going inside the shoe, you can see the sock liner. I know my camera picks it up very well, but that sock liner is more of a silk material. It's not like that standard cottony material that they normally put in here. It's more of a really soft, padded, like silk material. It's actually really nice. And also I noticed like the leather is really good on this pair, but the tongue is a lot more padded. I don't know if you guys have noticed that. Like, I have a pair of the Red Thunders as well, and that tongue was pretty stiff and pretty thin. This tongue is actually really nicely padded as well. So guys, let me know down in the comment section below what you guys think of this shoe. Is this the best Jordan release that has come out so far in 2022? You let me know. You know what? My personal opinion on it is this is an awesome shoe. I mean, it's beautiful. It's super clean. You can basically wear it with anything. And it's just, the color combo goes together so clean and nicely. But is it the best Jordan that has released in 2022? You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna say it is. Yeah, I'm gonna say this is. Especially since it's a Jordan 4. I mean, these things are so hyped up now. They're really hard to get, man. Really hard to get. Struck out on Champs, Finish Line, all that stuff. I was able to hit on Dick's. Struck out on the Sneakers app. You know, these things are Jordan 4s. They're becoming the new Jordan 1. Like, the Jordan 1 for a while was super hyped up. They are now becoming the Jordan 1. These things are the most hyped up silhouette that, honestly, yeah, I'm gonna say it. These are probably the best shoes that came out so far this year. I'll give it to them. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please let me know down in the comment section below what you guys thought. If you guys did enjoy, also smash that thumbs up button. It really does help the channel grow. And also, please do not forget to subscribe and turn on that post notification bell so you do not miss another one of my videos. And that's it for me, guys. My name is Dylan. You guys just chill with Dill, and I'm out. Peace.